loves, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for comfortable and stylish shoes, check these out. These women's low heel classic pumps are super comfortable. I love this nude color and I appreciate that they are true to size. You're going to see that the material is high quality, it stretches, it's super soft with elasticity, showing flexibility and comfort. I also love this heel. This is the 1.6 inch. You're going to see as well that it has a natural latex memory foam insole, making it super comfortable for you to wear the whole day. The pointed toe makes it also very sexy and cute looking. I love everything about this shoe. I love that rubber outsole, that it's very durable and not easy to slip. So if you're looking for comfort and style, check these out. These shoes are not only cute, they are super comfortable, and I love that you can match this color with every outfit, and that's my point of view.